Hey everyone, Leo Bond here. I'm back again today for the Best Buy Canada blog, and this time I'm taking a look at something called the Monster Smart IlluminEssence DIGIT LED panel lights, which is a set of three 3D art panels that allows you to create whatever arrangement or pattern that you want. You can stick them on your wall, and you can come up with all kinds of unique and interesting design configurations. Now, to be fair, you're going to need more than one of these kits to really create anything super cool and amazing. I would think probably at least a dozen individual panels would be nice, but they do come with all the little bits and pieces that you need to attach multiple lights together so that your patterns can grow and grow. Now, I've had these lights for a few days now, and I've really been enjoying them. I've been playing around with them, having a lot of fun with all the colors and stuff, and I'm going to try to tell you here everything that you need to know about them. So specs wise, they require for you to have a 2.4 gigahertz home Wi-Fi network to connect to and allows them to work. But aside from that, all you really need is a smartphone to control them with. Now, they make use of the Monster Smart app, which works with late model Android and iOS based smartphones and tablets and whatnot. And so for Android, basically anything that's running a 6.0 or higher, and with iOS, I believe it's 10 and up that you'll need. And this app allows you to control your panels completely, everything from putting them on and off to remotely changing their brightness or saturation. You can even choose from up to 16 million different unique colors for them to light up in. And you can actually have them either as a solid color or something more dynamic where they're kind of changing and moving between colors and stuff. Really looks pretty cool when you get that going. In fact, you can choose from a variety of pre-programmed lighting scenes. Come in all different cool themes, and that's actually what you're looking at here right now. I'm just kind of going through several of those in the app and showing you what that's like. And each theme has its own name, and it kind of does its own sort of interesting thing color-wise. Now, attaching these lights to your wall is super easy. Each panel has its own octagonal shaped magnet that holds it fast to the light on one side, and on the other side there's some 3M adhesive tape. I believe it's the command strips or whatever is what it's called. And of course, the great thing about those is that you can remove it off your wall without ripping all the paint off or whatever. So it allows you to kind of move your panels and put them in different places if you don't like the design you've come up with, or if you just want to try something different after a while. Anyway, this kit also comes with your standard wall adapter for power, a bunch of very short wires that allow them to connect to the next light in the chain. Now, that might be my only complaint about this. If it had slightly longer wires or an option to switch between short or long wires, you could probably get away with doing some even more creative stuff. But anyway, it also has a little control box type thing that allows you to switch between the different modes and scenes and whatnot, and also to power it on and off. So needless to say, I've really been having a lot of fun with these lights. I can certainly recommend them, but probably only if you get at least 3 or 4 sets, because really anything less than that and your hands are pretty much tied, at least as far as creativity goes. So much more to say about these Monster Smart Digit LED light panels in my complete written review over at the Best Buy Canada blog. So if you haven't been there and read it already, I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.